Hi, hello to everyone out there. I think it was time for me to give a response to the happenings that have been taking place since last night and today morning. I've had a lot of media trying to reach me and requesting a bite. So first I'd like to say that everything that the Minister Halankar has been stating in media is entirely false, mischievous and factually incorrect. We can actually compare his current statements today morning in comparison to his statements from last night, as well as the statements made by the complainant, Rohan Parab, in the complaint submitted last night. There's differences in all of them. There's clearly some vindictiveness going on here. There's no question about that. What they've stated is not at all what happened. It was a very small incident that deliberately is being blown out of proportion for reasons best known to our politicians of Goa. Well, if I was to make a guess, I think the work that I've done in the past, whether it is standing up against 17(2) zoning changes, land zoning changes, which will essentially destroy all agricultural land in the 17(2) stay, we have also successfully put a halt to several illegalities by the government of Goa across departments. Of course, I've been standing up against corruption for many, many years. That's well known. We've also supported the underprivileged in many ways, supporting in livelihood skill training for poor women, and also allowing beneficiaries to access government grants and schemes that brings a little bit of income to the poor to help them survive. I think this work that I've done is perhaps rattled the government of Goa. They can't believe they're an outsider as they claim. I don't think I'm one. I'm an Indian citizen, equal to any other citizen. They can't believe that a so-called outsider has come into Goa and is supporting hundreds and thousands of people. They also cannot believe that somebody else can stand up to the corruption that is taking place in the topmost parts of the government, Chief Minister down. So naturally what do they want is to continue the world as they want it to be, which means that they want to subjugate individuals, they want to control every person in Goa. They want to make sure that the social fabric of Goan society and Indian society is completely torn apart. You'll notice that they pit people and religions against each other. So this is very unfortunate that instead of bringing all of us together, instead of serving people, instead of providing good infrastructure, education, medical, healthcare, they are now talking about a car parking issue. One car for 20 seconds, and that's being blown out where the entire government of Goa, the police systems, the ministers are spending hours and days discussing one topic for one very simple citizen. I wonder why. What is it that I've done that brings so much attention? I'll bow down to your time and effort. Thank you so much. But all is well, guys. I wish you all the best. And again, it's meant a lot that thousands of you have reached out to me. Politicians across parties, citizens on the ground, activists. Thank you so much. Your support means a lot to me. I'm well. Thank you.